Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I made these stickers. These are perfect to stick onto your laptop and water bottle. In this video, I'll be using a printer, sticker paper, my Cricut, newspaper, and Mod Podge spray. The first thing you'll need to do is get your image onto Design Space. I actually already exported one of my drawings from Procreate onto my laptop as a PNG file. That way I wouldn't have to clear any background. But right now, I'm just getting my image onto Design Space just like you would for any other project. But here, you want to make sure that you click the complex image type. Make sure to save it as a print then cut image and then place it onto your canvas and resize it to however you want. I only wanted mine about 2 inches, and you can only really use sticker paper once with the Cricut, so you can see that I add many other images to make as stickers. The maximum size you can use for a print then cut project is 9.25 by 6.75 inches. Once you're happy with your placement, attach all of the images together. Do not forget this step, it is really important. And then click to make your project. When printing my project, I like to use the system dialog option since it allows me to print with fine printing. This will get the images to be a little more clear than usual. I'm using the Silhouettes printable vinyl as my sticker paper today. Make sure you place your sticker paper in the correct orientation of your own printer. Once it's printed, it's ready to go into your Cricut. If you don't have a die cut machine, don't worry, you could just cut it with a pair of scissors. Make sure you align it perfectly along the edges on the sticky mat and in the same orientation you had it on Design Space. Once you place it into your Cricut, choose your cutting settings. I like to use Cardstock Plus because it cuts through the backing of the sticker paper and it makes each sticker its own. Once it's done cutting, remove your mat from the Cricut and then remove the excess sticker paper. I like to use this tool that came with my Cricut to remove the stickers. I think it's called a scraper. Anyway, I just bend the mat back, put it underneath the sticker, and then lift up. This way the stickers aren't damaged. Now that all the stickers are removed from the mat, it's time to seal them. I placed some newspaper underneath so that the sealant wouldn't get on the ground. For the spray that I'm using, it is recommended to be used in a well-ventilated area, so I'm just doing it all outside. This next step is totally not necessary, but I'm going to be using a temporary adhesive to stick the stickers onto the newspaper. I don't know if it was just an extra windy day or just the way I was spraying it, but this is what happened if I didn't stick it on. Anyways, after sticking them onto the newspaper, I shook the can for about a minute, tested it on a scrap piece of paper, and then sprayed it evenly onto my stickers. I only sprayed one layer, but if you wanted to do more, it said to wait about 15 minutes and then spray it again. After waiting for them to completely dry, that's it. You're finally done with your stickers. Don't forget to place it on to your water bottle or laptop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram at DIYsByMai and subscribe to see more of my crafts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.